There's a push to get surveillance video in Shelbyville Parks. That's underway after recent vandalism. The effort behind the new push from a local 8th grade student. Good morning, Indiana's Nicole Griffin talked with that young girl. She joins us from the live desk. Nicole, great to see the youth getting involved in this effort.
Definitely. Good morning, Lauren. Just last month, we told you about someone spraying graffiti all over Sunset Park in Shelbyville. The slides, the shelter house, and even signs were hit with graphic images and words. After that, 8th grader Ashlyn Stout says she heard other students at her school say they don't feel safe going to the park. So she's now setting out to reach a pretty big goal. She wants to raise $168,000 to put surveillance cameras in all 7 Shelbyville parks. She's working alongside her mom and the Parks Department to reach her goal, and she's even created a GoFundMe page that has over $500 donated.
She's just so young, and it's important for her to understand that even as young as she is, she can change the world. She can do something to change the world. She doesn't have to sit back and wait on somebody older to do something.
It's really bad because the kids don't feel safe coming to the park, and that's where kids kind of want to get away from normal life and just come and play.
I talked with the Parks Department, who says it is realistic to get cameras in the parks. I am told they do feel like they have the backing of City Council and the mayor to make it happen in the future, but right now it's just a matter of when. As for Ashlyn's effort, she knows reaching her goal will not happen right away, but she's determined to help make Shelbyville Park safer. At the live desk, Nicole Griffin, RTV6.